Make you know they from, yeah. See me far away, know so we far gone. La la me la mi habo, and you weigh me to the mamo. This song is for my people. I like everybody knows that. See we they on fire, we know they tired. When you hear the beat, you for move your feet. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe. So below juice mixed with a little ginger. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I get the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Man, join your king now, girl, don't talk. Got me like a thief in the night, long jaw. But you know, say, all of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. Man, join your king now, girl, don't know. Taking it a break, and then me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch a rebel, but me say with me. Yeah.
Show me a jigger, let me see. Let me see. And let me see the woman that is with. I put a couple $1,000 on your wrist. What's on your wrist? Mama, they can't touch you. I ain't never see this kind, babe. We do some kind things, make me feel some kind way. You know I'm not just tryna get laid, cause I know some kind chicks do it for the right pay. Baby, make I fire you with my machine gun. 16 rounds, I be King Kong. Girlie, make I sample you my brand new song. Baby, love.
Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I get the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, so you come gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. You never know, so you come gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you come gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. You never know, so you come gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Señorita, mamacita, body bad and the craze for your features. Nice to meet you, Dime Sika. Only wanna deceive on my future. Oh, I wanna teach your body a thing or two. If you know the things we do, this loving a be jump no April Fool. Yeah, girl, so mama, you miss again. 5-star boomba, nyakabe, kaba kaba myakatamina babe. Oh my, ni boss, mama. All of my guys are talking.
She never get it mad and see, cause she come here every man, he say she tired of the mac and cheese. One thing more of the geezer, but I want time touch and she already fainting. All them time we be participating, she never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Me I watch you long time, I dey see you for dream, it don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. What them say, into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Naga, leave you, girl. Send me yaga, me I'm gonna be your word. Yeah. No other person, I'm gonna love you better than you a blessing. Physically you a fit, your thing amazing. Now look further, done with the searching. wait a long time. I dey see you for dream, you know be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you.
I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm.
Have a blessed day.
Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand.
Over and over again, yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen and the night is for us. We're alone again, every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding in, it must be love.
Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Oh, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make her just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand.
Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Papa
Baby, I wanna be your
Horse.
commando. I want that yes, baby, no be no girlie. You my heart and you no be lie. And baby, I wanna be your commando. Pretty guys, show me things I want to know, girlie. You my heart and you no be lie. No, it's the way you love me, the way you treat me, the way you do me, they make I wanna do this. Call on me if you need love all night, see all night. The way you love me, the way you treat me, the way you do me all day. Call on me if you need love all night. Say I say only you, then baby they feel, baby you be you. Hey bad man no feel do ya wow. Say only you, then baby they feel, baby you be you. Hey bad man no feel do ya wow.
That's right.
I
So me
wanna
come a friend and we
be
link
for
up.
ya.
We meet up, we drink up and booze up. I love the life I live with my guys. What is life when you don't live life? Here's the step to the chapter. I drop books like big boots then happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. Happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Let go of the sorrow. You know life now YOLO. So I'm chilling with a few guys on our lane, and we're doing what feels right. With a dark skin girl selling on the poolside all night, all night. Bruce up on this one, me say you have to dance. DSL link this I want your big jam. But then they get called now when I respond. Step so tight, leave the spirit on.
Happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. Happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. So now they call me my king. Live life till we the inner 90s. Fine white thing now they post like this. Walk like this, smile like this. Watch my teeth. Yeah, 2 girls in the night, oh gosh. Brand new Benz, what a life with touch. When me snatch your girl with a eye contact, just a eye contact, just eye contact. Happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. Happy day we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. So live life up, we dey live life up. Live life up, we dey live life up. Live life up, we dey live life up. Live life up, we dey live life up.
I go all the times I dey pray, say, make this life never fail. Make we day, make it day. And I hope say you feel the same. All these things where you got, me I'm ready to marry. When I pull up, it's a G-Waggy, and I want you to be my man. Oh, Adole, come and show me that you love me. Me, I know you carry your love to play. Me, I know you carry your love to play. Adole, come and show me that you love me. Me, I know you carry your love to play. I dey Cape Town, I see one, it be big, I no chaser. She won't give me something, I no take If you know be you, they be my paper. Oh, paper, I know they fake look, don't you ever say you wanna break up. Baby girl, you know one of it take Promise me before my press, I celebrate that. Yeah. One thing I know is true love is in your eyes. Oh, yeah. Don't take me play the fuck of my life.
Right into the city in this whip, and I know this life will be alright. Wanna know how we got this far. With many obstacles around, I still sought you out, my love. Let me be the reason you getting all this joy every season. VVS times got you freezing. The only reason for a nigga treason. No, would you be my ride or die? There for me for life. If you be, I'm gonna be your Hercules, real life. Real life, real life, real life. I'm gonna be your Hercules, real life. Real life, real life. I'm gonna be your Hercules, real life. Real life thing, and I want my flame. Real life song, girl, you make me sing, and it's only right that I make you my queen. And I will never give up on you. Shawty, it's really just to let you know. I will let you go. The feeling's real, I got to show. Another banger.
Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl. No, tell me, no, baby, gon' give me your lo. You got me like whoa. Shawty gon' give me your lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now you might find situation when you stay there, I'm mellow.
Have a blessed day.
Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I phone for one? Then I start to feel a bum one. But she dey give me small one. I know, say she's happy, pass it down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends go they go my light ring go on. Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl. No, tell me, no.
Have a blessed day.
To you well with my love, la. I say for my blessing, baby come on, good sin, no be passing, good sin, no be passing, good sin, alhamdulillah, baby blessing, good sin, baby come on, good sin, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, alhamdulillah. Take out the dirty part of me, she bringing out dirt on my clean bed. Do you see the irony? Shit is so funny. On my right, she feeling all nice, so she gon' die. She fainting when you come online. She misses my eyes, cause when I hop in knees, I look straight in her eyes. So show her body down and come my lover. Make her dirty you well with my love, la. Oh, I say show her body down and come my lover. And make her dirty you again, that's cause 90, baby. And I say over my blessing.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Like I need ya. Oh no no. Loving you, girl, you get the pum pum. Yeah, you can know how.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Oh no no. Oh, show up body down and come my lover. Make a dirty you well with my love. La la la. I say for my blessing, baby come on, good sin, no be passing, good sin, no be passing, good sin, alhamdulillah, baby blessing, good sin, baby come on, good sin, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, alhamdulillah. Take out the dirty part on me. She bringing out dirt on my clean bed. Do you see the irony?
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
She feeling all nice. She
The mid-morning show. The midmorning show. Have a blessed day.
when I hop in knees, I look straight in her eyes. Make her do you well, la la la. Oh, I say, shower body down and come, my lover.
That's right, so music from Olive the Boy. And that brings us to exactly 41 minutes after 10. Folks, it's a Friday. And you know what we already do on Fridays. That's right, so it is a freestyle segment of Ejuma here on 93.3 FM. And as usual, Akwaba. Yeah, will be Akwaba. More to say. That's right, so the energy this morning is kind of different. Because myself and DJ Shabo, we are always fired up just to make sure we entertain you to the max. Good morning once again. My name is Jenny Champion Boateng. Call me Kwabena Kwesti. Call me Abrante for the perfect gentleman. And you know, I don't do this alone. Nah, I can't. So big shouts and big thank you to the production team. Man like Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, the super duper youngest DJ in the house. Guy is doing the most, trust me. Alright, that's right, so 42 minutes after 10. Man like Kobe Kane also, Mr. Billy supporting. Now we are on to tell a friend. The energy team is up on your radio. And of course, we're taking over your radio from now to 12 p.m. And certainly, we are here to make your day a wonderful one. Trust us. Yeah, for that one that we can promise you. No doubt about it. Yeah. Alright, so send us text on 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. That is the new WhatsApp number and also SMS. So do it and send us a text, and I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention. It's a Friday morning, 7th July 2023, and of course we on and on again just to make sure, say Charlie, we didn't even course to come upon. But in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awazaya de Frafra Lawane, if you speak Grushi Quete, if you speak Izman Cordia, and your Fontiname Pacho Hontanang, and a fiada, and Tikofina Fe, if you are for in our Hontanang. Be assured that Yankopon don't wash a wand on the day. And once a man in Mepacho Betima send him a first message. It was 0533-898-915. Where a new number in the Michelle. Mebana, when I would travel as here. Over to Mr. Johnny show no live on the Facebook. Or call Facebook and search for Henkai 93.3 FM on Facebook. Both a video need check was a coho. Na foul message for tour. Never can cancel the amount. Once again, your friend Kwabena Kwesti, a Branty for the perfect gentleman. And of course, my name DJ Shabo. You can't humble Musa energy. That's it. Energy. That's a brother from a different mother and father. That's a never put in the boating. But some put in the boating. The mammy didn't. Ogre, but some mammy didn't agree. Yes, I may be correct or no, your papa. Or anyway, the fans and I guess a tray. Maybe need back cry. That's Yajamusa. I'm a fan check. I see a point fan come. The Mr. Orbin, I don't pay what to say. Memma, Juma. Man come out Forsty of Sunforce Ventures. Memawe Juma as well. When I come out Mr. Chumesi. Memawe Juma now for yanko KNL Fashion. Mungina Juma yenti si mwachi masane. Man come out better man kwa Salum de Gambia. And now for ya said for you any makope Nash and Pabuafi. Mungina Yamamu Juma o Mohota saying ya sure point some who had ya beba transidia. You born on Fire Friday, challenge no stress. What I say? From Monday to Raya Wada. Ya stress ya when ya Juma dinner dia, but I call Friday they want to form call na bonicho. Ya call the call what I say. I don't want some man need to know giddy na yao. On the comforts and our natural look beauty salon more Bompire Johnson. Good morning and our Juma son komamo. Bra Michael. Original super duper carpenter where is the Johnson when Mahana Pamades and so Tongo Beni Ben Kuniadi when I no pay more Juma good morning and come exclusive beauty salon. Good morning. I want to say Bibi our call the parties go this scissors Asla beauty salon and I'll pay Juma Janice Fashion when I Juma so na yantin sim ya duhi fakra adina family so asa na pay energy need too much no mama ko phone kakra no pay energy need too much yeah I no pay energy need too much na kra me dey and I say me tie muza so good morning and come on Dependable Beauty Salon good morning. More CS in youth. Good morning, come on, one halfway. Emmanuel Amauga, who always we electrician. Good morning. Ishmael, good morning, come on, so and not forgetting Almighty Yaji and pay good morning. Only DJ Lion and halfway. Charities Fashion, Monia Mo Akamenin Junction. Good morning, and come on, halfway and come on. The super duper. Fashion designer Kwame Taylor what to say Kwame I don't pay me who bro for me pon so ni da Kwame wallahi talai wa me who bro for me pon Kwame Taylor what master sorry quality fashion Liberty and Transform man good morning and now for Madam Pat Madam Magina na Madam Vera na no pay Mamo Juma na Madam Pat o who na che papa on a part which ya we be able to there we dey pass on who dey and Kenyan kasaba ka che me dada which ya you so we have face Brad David Pasco Rauf MP3 Staga Obama Ricardo Tanko Obata Jonathan with this share and I remember we say na we nyina dey go through and I say go through good dream. And I'm a business. Hey, that's how you have school fees. I say, me ma you me income, ma you mo do. Ma bin pa. Anyways, come Banshee, Tilapia, Apia, Amos, Ambrose, and I feel Richmond, Baru Soboy, Bra Kwame Okese. And our Pierrot, we now we are taxi drivers. Good morning and come on. Yambo Rebo, I say you will be good morning. Yeah, daily dose of motivation, man. I will say Antipokua. Antipokua Wenchi. Okay, Mekai. Once when she's a Jaho agro didn't me no be this hour. Thank you for fun champion. DJ Bobby or that me or do you. Anyways, that was just by the way. I mean, me the okay. I will be between that. I'm between the way. 93.3 of daily dose of motivation. Said Gabriel. And I'm for a Friday. No Joe. You be January na gumusa. I say. Shabu, I think I know the Subo dream. Good sin. You know, good sin. And this boy is the next big thing. This boy is the next big thing here in Ghana. When Nigeria from they are claiming him. And yesterday, there was this heated conversation on Twitter. And there was this popular journalist from Nigeria, your friend of Joey Akan or something, claiming they don't think about our industry, they don't care about us, blah 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 blah. See, this is okay, you the young Kohono, you're God more than showbiz. But once again, let me enjoy Lord Leave the Boy. Good say 93.3 FM. Once again, good morning.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I need no one like I need. I do my more day every day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Loving you, girl, you get the pom pom jay. You can know how I want the pom pom jay. Oh, I need no one like I need you. Oh no no. Oh, show a body down and come my lover. Make a dirty you well with my love. La la la. I say for my bed, listen, baby, come on, go sin, no be passing, good sin, no be passing, good sin, alhamdulillah, baby, listen, good sin, baby, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, alhamdulillah. Take out the dirty part of me. She bringing out dirt on my clean bed. Do you see the irony? She is so funny. Lady on my right, she feeling all nice, so she gon' die. She fainting when you come online. She misses my eyes, cause when I hop in knees, I look straight in her eyes. All show her body down and come my lover. Make her dirty you well with my love. La la la. Oh, I say show her body down and come my lover. And make her dirty you again. That's cause 90, baby. And I say over my bed, listen, baby, come on, good sin, no be passing, good sin, no be passing, good sin, alhamdulillah, baby, listen, good sin, baby, come on, good sin.
And trust me, in as much as I love this song, I mean this song, I don't know where to place this song. Charlie, is it?
I need no one like oh no.
Is it an explicit song? And I say a proper explicit song. You see, so there are songs. Tell me about my main example. Once Ebony released Poison, right? And send an hour to you, new idea, a new idea. Because I say call it Poison. But near it is the poison. Yeah, but it was call it Poison. I think it's when the shares also on Numbisa. Wow. I say Lotto say Obi ni maba me die on say Sanyom be use yes, Ucha Ubedi. Yes, Ucha Ubedi. Ucha Ubedi. But Sanya, it's no one. But this guy's song, anyway. Unya Charlotona Ubedi. What I say? You see, there are certain songs we want to tell you say, new way dear, autocrana say what fair there. Me myself, more mutie some what tie pam say anyway me more we show so that. When you say just and yet because but there are certain songs me them tie say, but no be obi o fear o tie no me feel say what I say. But anyway I boss say we tie ni pa etchin there ya kan nyina, but just because it is in English, one. And two, the way the rhythm of the song is, what I say, it will say, because if you listen to the song very well, like the lyrics very carefully, we will say, nah, this guy, this is the dog, what's it, Kudaribra? Yeah, go and shower your body and come. Oba, I will dirty you with mine. And he mentioned the Lalula or something. Now, if you will get ready, you have a cost 90. Listen to the song once again. Bring the song back.
I do every day. I need no one like I need you. Oh no. Loving you, girl, you get the pom pom jay. You can know how I want the pom pom jay. Oh, I need no one like I need you. Oh no. Oh, show a body down and come my lover. Make a dirty you well with my love. La la la. I say for my bed, listen, baby, come on, go sin, no be passing, good sin, no be passing, good sin, alhamdulillah, baby, listen, good sin, baby, come on, good sin, come on, good sin.
I'll be back at Shebiano. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? A baby and I say a bro, yeah. This is one thing I love about creatives. Yeah, this is one thing I love. Then I am managing and you be who say if I see a young guy writing such a deep lyrics, you see, enyom chon, mamin can be first na na bia na bi hu ni say enyom e kobolo for adwuma. Sebi quote and non quote. Ebia wan cool school and na obey enyom. But this year me and madam for dey me never showbiz. Prince na, yeah, he was my classmate. And later, Sina, if I jump person me change and say music is not for kobolo for. Sisi the music is for the intellectuals. What do you mean do? You can't do music. Yeah, what do you mean do? Because anyway on. So yesterday was me catch us in the board me dreams and say what is this guy saying in the song? Na me near time. Me tell you say so going to bath, come to me, but could do the 1-2-1-2, and I go dirty your body. And all your own Saturday, I go because 90. I go the till proper. Woo! Me magic sight. I don't want to say I'm before. Ay, Gusin. Gusin. Hey, Gusin. Alhamdulillah. Hey,
she bringing out dirt on my
that's right.
Do you see the irony? She is so funny. On my right, she feeling all nice, so she gon' die. She fainting when you come online. She misses my eyes, cause when I hop in knees, I look straight in her eyes. So shower body down and come my lover. Make her dirty you well with my lover. So I say shower body down and come my lover. And make her dirty you again. That's cause 90, baby. And I say over my bed.
See, after you go back and then you come back, make a date you say you're gonna say it because 90. Right, so 93.3 FM, let's head straight into our daily dose of motivation. And the title is good sin. But Charlie Bonnie be one of my good and
Bonnie be
good they all come on the hotel.
Say Bonnie no can or Bible.
There is a Bonnie when they Bible for our reform one. Oh, I let the Bonnie.
Oh, say Bia,
Anyway, our reform. Okay. Into engine to say, wow, now wait me about you.
And I said, so they are now wishing I give you now I
committee good sin.
Very good.
Shabo, the way you are happy about your song, the actually dreams what I say. Oh, worry, yeah, a bad sin. Anyways, our daily dose of motivations this morning. It's brought to us Can KDC, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios watching more than Liberty Transport Opposite King of Mercy. For all your embroidery works, now I call Color Studios. I feel be worry upon who engagement program be a photographer. Make sure no I call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery now we must sort out. Make sure your prices need the other phone book or be able to patronize you. What you say? You know ba? You know what didn't come on for you who program putting out now you whom I bet me the about free was 0245276638 0245276638 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now this morning young Crown you see the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence call forth your best. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. You see, there are certain things sometimes I am in person church because I am not church and who has done me. We are saying when you say Obi Honoma Ukuta aim Kasebi Pana Sebia Opese watch something big in your life. Opese we any party through but Obe associated with Obia ono sebi Kwasia Brankwan any day. What you say? Because you know where you are going, we need purpose in life. We need see when so. To me, you're very sure say you wouldn't want to associate yourself with Obia or no surround pa or no angasa only do in life for you. I say surround pa no say Charlie me dem nya e da me share me here not to disrespect everyone but I me share video bi omuza guy say eduma be na e or say I'm a dancer. I said, oh, okay, nice. Because dance, dance, sika pound. This creative art industry, ayesika. So if you are a dancer, Ebia probably in Ghana here na be din kakra amount, but elsewhere it is big time. No muzanza we adwuma be won say am dancer. No mzo okay. Na platform be na be hu so me say we yas nko. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. O say me say we yas ya na nkofo am me kakra. Wait. Guy, this guy, what's his name? Osha Frimpong. This guy is in the UK, dancing and getting money, big time money. Incredible Ziggy, dance lord, money, endurance, ne Afronita, more Sagi Giscan. Who they also say we yasi. Now we say madam for the wa. We madam for the wa. Then at the Papa Ben Pan, I went to Nakama Brabo. What you say? It's me patcho abrabo na yebo no make sure say we circles. We ka circles are. Wo mo etwa ho hia wo na fofo nyina ye wo mo a omo idea e be motivate you, e be uplift you to a certain level how person would do. Enye obi an energy no ene wo energy e match. Enye obi an wo so fa na dan fo. E wo so wo fa wo ma wo ne omusu ese. Wo mo a wo kobone a otimi kire se ade a wo ye be se wo jai. One more bet me a can't share. In fact, they will tell you in your face and say, stop this thing. And they will emphasize. I say, and yeah, one man didn't your cry. Oh, yeah. I watched a movie like that. I don't feel guy, no, your bar. I'm friends, Mama G. And then a high panel, a bema. Now, high panel in say, I did again, but because of Kobe on your journey, it's no. Hey, Mama G, you better best lyricist. You are good. I swear, one day, I start translating again and say, "Debbie, me too. Say I didn't enfa and afraid guy no Benji that guy no buy." I say, "Can you create me? Who's that? Trust? Oh, you're lying. You are good or so boy." If I try, I'm fire home sango for. You see, young for be a bang one. Because of some little privileges bi omunya we nchen ebia ne ho kire na oba ye nchen ye boa no opebibia ye boa no ne ade nti ade bi o he ho a enye but ontumi nkan kire yen say enye because odum say the moment oba kape emwa no a onya free nchen be sizi nti omuntumi nkan enkire but Mr. say uyo obi a wo mo twa ho ahia nyina ye wo mo kanfo bebere a hwe ho ye busa ho say nti unkwa na we perfect ana let me tell you obi na we perfect. We are still learning. This is why sometimes I always big up 024. DJ 024. Yeah. He calls me. Now, Charlie, I love your show, but this thing you they do, when I can you do then talk am so. Put them this way. Do am so. You see, you're not perfect. What I say, we are never perfect. You won't call for my friend to correct us. Way you can say. I mean, 024 has been in the game since 2000. What I say? Over 23 years in the game. So if 024 calls me and corrects me, and I'll be like, me Jimmy, because he has been in the game way back before I even decided to join this game. Do I say? You know, say motivate you, strength you, say I'm a patrol. So be why are you? Na say be anipa 10 omunya kan why are I'm sure you have a big problem. Fa ho kɔ wo ma. Say ya 10 a ubenya mu 4. E be catch say ade we enye. Ade we nka wo ye ni si nka be boa wo. O nka wo kan si nka yo. In fact say ule ba kakra unya abotra nka yo. Enye nipa 10 nya nka just say oh boss you do all. Charlie you be the guy. You force wo mo boa then they deceive you I tell you. I not go lie you. Obi no perfect was as sanka ye man penin his excellency Nanado sanka on for senior advisor right come from ministers because Kobeka say I am the president so I will do things on my own obi ntimi nchemhwe but then who say on point to me here and he's never perfect so he needs people to guide him through this political ambition of his me pacho ye nya nkofo a wo be guide yen o master tren an na watie obi wo no okosha ejumema wa sha no ma 2 years into onim say 2 years dey anu so betima master anti afede no ne master no hey na wo be master fa 2 years pedo sin 2 years u judge man crowd betima ko bi o shop ko bi na yenhwe nya bo tre na man ko fon tren be submissive yeah na she nkofo ase na nkofo so tren ne ade yen try and home brush. We are born rather than the ideas a manager queen. I want to 11 prego. Okay, one person a mistake. And one they cover say what the producer.
So muko na yare be du muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mo yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nkoni krom ho. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava 1 herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava 1 herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava 1 herbal mixture so de malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobi. Omodoso nya na drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava 1 herbal mixture. Wa kimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore, Kenop Pharmacy, Ochiniba drugstore, Akim Sedroso, Bosome Pharmacy, and Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava 1 herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejwedi enkra.
I swear. Nyamia nim ni kwenye se bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Miami do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend CBN. Esan say, bia okope as what fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa wo do. And to Ukraine ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh ware. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. Owo car park kesi. Our baby green grass and kwa dia gro kama na ni punu eya kona bi international standard ujali ni na kona safa future mu punu su ujali a unse yes ujali ni pensio akona nkasa Preferland Hotel o wa dan ya udro bebre asa uju ani bra unya bushani benya baby ada na so no kanjimansko no problem bonus ye ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum tiatia so abri bia eninti achemu dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mu she ho Preferland Hotel bamamo nanu masem de bia wo kwase de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani atere achem dan kwa no so na Presby school na chi pe 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
Oh, correct, sir. I take a woman. Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonu ye die. Boy ye. Ahode na wanya ne sano. Wo delay adwuma no so papa. Na wo che. Na wo ye ni ye pa. Delay man capsules. I don't know. Ama me sisi ni me ko todwe mu ayen. I can see. Na local mixture ene the capsules a. E man ne merima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Wo hu me say. Me hu say wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa. Enti na wo ko share wo a wo delay sa. Sa. Local mixture and the capsules means so if it's a chromo yaw biem mura so wo be delay kra no means no be man na wo baby a wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho baby ano fa local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bi a woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and the capsules e me yefru e wo heba and pharmacies nyina mu dodo afre 0242 133 577 and 0202-675-778. Local mixture and in the capsules. And what's that there? In kind.
Anokwa se yakasa adoma chede mu gwa hodo a spiritual doctor of the nation Dr. Abednego ya oda Elohim treatment center no wachim kede amana de pefe ampa
ana o kan say nansay madam fu o ya chire he ya enya stroke ebuka dem no eje Dr. Abednego a anka ne besinye
oyiwa ene da ho no emfrihia bebre ni a waye adwuma ame ya odeni ne spiritual doctor of the nation prekope cheso sasunsun mu ne wedie ne nyado wanyina Elohim treatment center de se oduru on mo a ayarasa ne ye mohu nyarewa hodo a osane bi eye stroke sisi yade awo ne ntumi amba ana sempo enam nyadewa sɛ wo de ne asthma ana ulcer typhoid fever wo kidney ene ho abasem ana sɛ liver kyese ba ne yade bia free utisi besi wo nase sɛ yesunsum wo sɛ ye wedie ni Dr. Abednego ene etu ase
ne mane ho kura ne sɛ nanum bo nya den na ne ohia ne sɛ obeje wo folder 30 cedis na waje wo card 20 cedis sika bia kura wo bia no spiritual Dr. Abednego be hwew no ma so aduru
oye free screening eye free massaging or the special FMM machine bia ba eye emasiatica owo bibia ye frɛ no Elohim keteke or the ayasan etwao ba bia wo bia mare mfi sɛ osan ewo nduru a ye frɛ no Abednego Cobitus and afia Abednego Prekese powder FD ajatum ewo drugstores bia spiritual Dr. Abednego echira kwan no ewo kede eho de e free druada ekopme fiada wo ye adwuma enu achi achimoda yawada de na otwemienu so bia Kofodua Legend Hall yawada de na otwemienu so bia Nkoko Obuoba Village Ukwada de na otwemienu so bia ho boso enum Fred Doctor 0547 10 83 93 Elohim Treatment Center spiritual Dr. Abednego da no say yare ho a ayar sansu ho
obiare ne dia hey when we send your police in your dro imbusaba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system o nyankopon e de awura ni padua no musam moye ho ban no enna sa wonom imbusaba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese de amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mesa do ne ho adanse ye enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese enka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka na yamu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omu wanyarewa ne dada na omunum doctor enuro no enum imbusaba mesa no a emomu ahoden pintin ya wo munti mpo se yare ahye omu ho imbusaba mesa ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia yeto enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no enkratwe FDA asayase
Hi, your friend foreman. Mejuma sweni inti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma sheminsa. Mesha se usika enko waste inti metomino na free Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana Chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wope cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana Chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa Chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra? Nani buono edit da form. I just wanna rock you.
Driver, jina. Na fa me ko obode ensa wom Herbal Clinic. Na me fa mani ko twamansa ko ka dientia. Obia de ne yade ko hodo mo a. Won fa ne yade ensa mafie biu. Na onya na yaresa.
Wo pani besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo sa yade bia ha obia wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroids, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Udwale na wuti ho saa, wuti ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wa to dem yade bia ha obia wudi kopie mo obo ade ensa wo mu Herbal Clinic a wo mbete ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wo untumi ngo bema ana wo ba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo untumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no aje mu yade be ne ha wo na se na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia ha obia obo ade ensa wo mu Herbal Clinic timi say te say 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura akwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free mitwika wo krom ha obia fo me hyan ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no yade wabene kwana kwaje ayalehwe obade ensa wo mu Herbal Clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwabra kwasi enyum papa de onkwa na obo chale dan so abiam to feel what you know otumani na wo se kwa.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
La la, la la, la la, la la, la la. I go die for your mother. I say nobody but that. Fine thing, mommy, what that. Carry your love like a kaya. Baby, oh baby. My baby, oh baby. Until I get go to me, shake it. Sing to you like a choir man. Pray for you like a brother man. Rush to you like a fireman. Baby, ride on, baby, go. Sing to you like a choir man. Pray for you like a brother man. Loving you, no the tire man. I go light you like a go.
Hold up, I see baby someone could also work a Gucci Lubuti in the Margella. Say I want you to meet me who's a wash cheddar. Your friend is the cabin, be more friend of one jella. If you go rain, I go be your umbrella. Ella, what you made of food to me and the K. A man for guess, oh yeah, Obi Kwan, I'm a Kimi K47 Tantala Gumutele. Obi Kiman, a boy, see the Kimu, yeah. Or you come in my mouth, who would be a day. In Kellan on the back, Ben Kelly. You be my baby.
You might have a girl, call me my Ricky. And I don't wait, you don't show my ticket. Oh, I'll be the form that will bend down. And I'll be no nose that I am. Body waves like you. I need you when I'm breathing.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Oh, you make me come alive. Kiss me, make I feel your fire. Baby, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh, make you no leave me for this place. I go die, oh.
It's a big vibe, the girls them know. Steadily, I'm happy, I know. It's a big vibe, but the girls them know. They see me coming, them they shout hallelujah. Every day it beat me like a new year. Overseas they want chop me like suya. Omo I know beat up for this tune. Tire so greasy, oh. They dance like Chris Breezy, oh, easy, oh. Omo my wrist, they cold, they freeze, oh. Them know they call me Mr. Money for no reason, oh. I see they go, I'm a piano. We go show, we go let them know. Now we they run the town and any show bigger than any woe, stronger than any foe. Badman flows, put them on their toes, on the low, the girl them know. My bed is short, South Jamo, Colorado, pass me the party don't go. Piano, it's a big vibe, but the girls them know. Steadily, heavily. I'm happy, I know. Piano, it's a big vibe, but the girls them know.
Because I want in my family, I need my friend, I love that. You must have for money, money big, money instructor. If it be say you want carry my ways, you go need new gym instructor. Straight out of Benin, I drop them my EP 2019. They think say big bed go finish. My music is traveling from India to Asia to Berlin. This thing will be pay me. Be say una no one be believe. I will never forget this and way back then let them pass us away. Fast forward to today. Every day in a holiday. Every day's in a holiday. Oh yeah, they, oh yeah, they, oh yeah. Me and my guys, we the chill with the pop. Say we know they ball up. Say my second check and the boss, we go give you last card check up. Make you know yes, make you pray for the happily. Many nights where I don't sleep.
cannot do, I no go do myself like I go feel do. I know I won't. I see you get do I'm good. Go feel to kill you. All I know is never did you, never did you. One thing I'm not stopping, floating, busy and disrupting, running, no more hurting, floating. Feeling the bad beside of my life, they begin to love you back to you. Stabbing your back, they want to see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the bad beside of my life, they begin to love you back to you. Stabbing your back, they want to see you in pain.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
The way the economy makes it, I thought I go buy 10 million. Bronya, wait there. Wait there. Bronya, wait there. Wait there.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day.
Strong man, yo. See as them they look, yo. All eyes on me like a Tupac, yo. I keep them Balenciaga, Richard Mille, a too bad, yo. I know they for your chit chat, yo. Carry your matter, they go TikTok, yo. My gentle they song go. I know they look back, yo.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your voice Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ami Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kwesti. What?
Tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say, me I want to die, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to die, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to try it, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to try it, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to try it, me I want to be happy. Me I want to try it, me I want to be happy. Me I want to try it, me I want to be happy.
You see, God no fi born zombie, so don't mess with the energy. I just want make my money, and I just wanna be happy. Let me dish the work body, I might get the gun body. Nothing man you never see, but tonight we must jolly. Now I say sometimes I go to jail like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, make me vibe.
Right, so music of Young Willis, and he features Mr. Easy on this one because the song Happy, of course, just because it's a Friday, and we're going to, okay, this is actually not a long weekend, but obviously a co-weekend. Right, so music of Young Willis and Mr. Easy, Happy. That brings us to exactly 28 minutes after 11, 93.3 FM. Still tuning into the best mid-morning though. And my name, Kwabena Kwesti, call me Bruce Money. DJ Shabo is fired up. And he's giving you all the crazy mixes here. Just because it's a Friday. Folks, Unyani baby, I just a higher. Baby, I just a higher. Alright, so this is the only show we make sure we entertain you to the max, especially on Friday. Oh, so someone sent a message. Okay, sorry. Yeah, it was yesterday. It was say hello, Kwabena Kwesti. Help me reach my lovely sister. Maybe it's a happy birthday. She's inside her summer say. It's me, Buedu, sign out. Inside of the old town. Hey, go for credit, you sign out. Sign out, man. What are you signing out? And I'm just saying, I'm joining trade, right? So there's this conversation on Twitter. But in Kofor Hag, you can see some of my Elon Musk before one of my teaching in Ghana for. Most say more person more joining trade. Fine. Go and join the thing and now stop worrying Elon Musk. Now Kofor church Twitter send a forward the end year for up you free no move rope away. Maybe I will join though. Me join here. There is so many social media apps. So, hey, yeah, so many. It's the last week, and I'm joining Truth. Yeah, the Truth Social. App, President here and assembly din Donald Trump. Dia. Na okreti sa app when Twitter format need na afi ni ade na no na. Onya ade no ade. Okay, so there's this new one here. Also then hey. Okay, so the Truth Social we joined last week. In fact, my followers across Africa. Na Andre G honoma Facebook for said giant apparently there's this news and for my trend with social media. I must say Mark Zuckerberg sheda no kofa Twitter staff say be ya pam one so mu adwuma no e no jinjo mu nia idea bom e no de bia ni de no na Endra madam for be joining Endra na wonya 5k. Hey. I think say yes Lord Caleb was joining because yesterday I saw something on his Facebook page. He says he's on trade and you guys should follow him. So go and follow the Odan blogger. You see our international blogger, Odan based international blogger. Yes Lord Caleb. Go and follow him now. Alright, so 31 minutes after 11 when you go to Twitter, and I'm on the trends. Legon is trending number 1. In Ghana Twitter. Inyanya is trending. I don't want to talk about Inyanya. Kwadaso is trending. And more money the reason why Kwadaso is trending, you know. Kwadaso is still trending. Nendra mi huade be me stressa. Obi send you obi thirst. I say, bro, I beg you in the name of God, send me the video. Hey, Obi video, no, the name of God. So try me is also trending. Alan is trending. Kylian Mbappe is trending. Oh, Paradise is trending. Yeah. So I watched the video yesterday. I mean, Charlie. Come watch a video, no. Black Sherry video, no.
Obi descend by me and share.
Yeah, me share Indra. Me share na how much no. Until the end, and now how much I'm share na about one. Charlie, the video is so colorful, and the music na mean canon. No, the video is sick. Hey, from the transition ankasa is a different thing altogether. From Arewo to the Oyomudi Odono to back to Arewo, transition is so great. In fact,
caption ba could be na me who like no more almost a black candles.
Yeah. I mean a nice video. Pa. Sam George is trending. Obviously, it's about the LGBTQ plus or whatever. So Sam George is trending. Momo is trending. I don't know why Momo is trending. And Kiki Palmer is trending. I saw her video. Hey, Charlie. Kiki, now she's a mother. Now, see, the most interesting part of the story is that the baby daddy is the one calling her out on social media. And now people are like, oh, come on, why would you do such a thing? Because one never demo. So if you think Act Faith wasn't that nice or good, that's how catching what them say, Kiki, I thought but you know, calling her out on social media, putting her up for public ridicule and all, and confessing her in Chayagra. But all the same, she's trending. Yartog is also trending, and I saw a video of Yartog saying he won't waste his time on tertiary because tertiary earned penny. So when this guy completed SHS somewhere last year or last 2 years, I heard him say, I want to go to university and I want to this. When this guy started seeing him and he says he won't go to university. So these are stuffs that are trending, and she's 19 has been trending since Tuesday. But so consult and Papa BNU. thing is about this squad that's what now. Why are people so interested in Kofo videos? People are really interested in Sadia though. Anyways, so she's 19 is trending as well. University of Ghana Legon is trending. Also, University of Ghana student pay last tribute to MSMK who died out of poison. And police for Kohoni. So I've heard police for being Kobo Mu near. Anyway, so these are trends on Twitter. Snap can kind of call trend. So I don't know what is happening there. I will let Caleb educate me more about it. But once I'm better, me catching for teaching more social media. Baby, say, won't even predict the future of any app, right? So people are cashing out on TikTok, and the people who are not cashing out because when TikTok we felt. I mean, apps not those no do your data. People are really cashing out. It's if you have the opportunity and you will really want to join any social media app, please do, because uni baby teach you more influencers and answer more person more quote unquote upcoming influencers. What they say, join me my joining through social. This trade I will join just because one or two things been assisting me, but I will. Yeah, it's called join me there. Alright, yeah, I ever told the Grana of and Friday. What you say, it's me, the DBasa. Yamo Shadan, Yamo Tianumadia, and the Ambrose, we are taxi driver. I was one more kind of move Philippa, Papa, Mona Consom Mukovenji. Ambrose or Babu, a kind of more already. I catch and say, Shabu send any gen hopa. I'll do and she uncle Shem stand on it. Now find a number, man. I'm preparing now. Jam Trading Enterprise. Me patch say open cement at all. One more when chicken na mo kono. Ebiana oye project bi. Who sit down bi. Ana oye baby a here cement. Contractors are more achimo dan krom ha. Machine for me patch mon top cement in free Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise. And say yeah, na the ones who now part of a iron rods, a POP, a plaster board, a marine board. Now marine board you catch us a yank for ye be a buff for one in Bubunu. There be they are jam there about near Papa Pan, a more ding. I say, and you call Jam Trading Enterprise, I'm Michelle. Ubenya webina toya sway, and your man also the papa quality, but nebo in that form. What I say, a papa, but nebo that form. Yan fire walk a cracabian toso be intimate binto. You were coming junction, your nature in the dish anymore. But patch your brush say, na be pay and no money be taught, and nebo for pan. And co baby. Na young farm boat to near the Nagazi Mihuyanka. Jump Trading Enterprise, yes, bra, and opea na yambo na dia. It's Michelle. Say, oh, see me say, na. Contemplating on where to get quality building materials. I got you sorted. Michelle called Jam Trading Enterprise. Or what Chamodna Kameni Junction when they judge in the dish anymore. When you drew on Masayayu, Michelle, Chairman Jam Trading Enterprise, Chairman Mr. Mensaho, or Betcho. And I'll be to my friend 0208 123 872 0208 123 872 0244 566-880. Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mason. Don Cool Ventures. Shame fan to be a UTM teaching more paps. And our face with drinking sports and the more mobile engagements now watching. And watching a more palm home where from your engagement, Motomo Badini. Everything you bush for baby never transit. Mobile no more son. The one pet yet dinners open Motokodokodi and Sunswa. Don Cool Ventures Sabra. Ubenya soft drinks away as way. Ubenya alcoholic drinking so away as way. Now, the theater said, you're no money in a Shannon song. So all products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. As I say, you fire walk a crack, so there will be a bit in my na to bi and you ba don cool ventures so pe kasa prekum product ni na ana ze bia wo pe Guinness ne club so obenye bi ato pe pa twa wa chimo na ye ne Jubilee and I walk quite back so Jubilee Hospital ye wo Sunny Star Plaza bron sign on and I be here 0555 486990 0556 252668 0556 252668 Frimpong Enterprise I will chrome here Achim Odamo yeah the friend I don't know was the chrome man of the supermarket Cassia Pan in fact a boy man for bebre more tacoton enya son fast what the bebre na Mr. Oko Frimpong Enterprise Anopea Shannon son say adia opesa with Tobia from provisions to support to touchlight to whatever a Frimpong Enterprise. A new addition I become a Frimpong Enterprise cosmetic shop. Now, buy a shop on man say buy a cosmetic shop if I chop perfume area papa straight from Paris. Yeah, the aba in Kunsu papa so your banner person Tony body no. Now color and toss come pan. We are cocoa with the color and dasso. You 27 so with the color no check a share. Once na me color and dasso no. Mean me color no agro cry. Uzampa abrantie tuntumi won afre. Special oko Frimpong Enterprise or more cosmetic shop on man. Ubenya nku be suit body. Ubenya body spray so uzampa. Utwem as abrantie hu hwia. Special Frimpong Enterprise no pay afre nso no open drinks at all soft drinks and also call Frimpong Enterprise wa your depot kese pa new old G and Bank ohna and a new shop on ewo channel so betimi de bia betimi afre about 0244 897525 na 0206 473 953 0204 111236 Frimpong Enterprise na me adoma shabo ma sore na mo ye all night 14th January and a shabo ma sorry no air all night. Two person who shabo. With the Udru men we say be as a shabo. Ube a branch now or bobbies now. I don't know. Now, quite a shabo fast or car sorry, them will match rich with them. New answer. Pepacho Yamayadoma, King of Grace Ministry. I wore a chim asene. Yem Pibo Cassia on 14th July. The show Branayam Bom Nayam Bom Pie Branayam Bom Na Yam Fire Yahawina and Cobra Denim Branayam Bomuna Yasungu Radiso. Now one GM free when some said the name Akania Sania Beberesai Nemina Yankopon NGM free mo show a 14th July. Yes, Shasia just say a bomb paya friti and numre non song NBC anopa no num the bomb paya pan some pie bokasi you make obi yeah pie bokasi with the mijinemu baby empire will be there we say the pada say with me available and you srow ever cost watch him as an ya sorry then man na ben a chim as an yes you know hop pepe and I be here also for penny Reverend Frank Kwasi Nkansa Janina Swa Zampa and our friends Reverend Osura Don Minister in Gusraba Tiaso Womina Edward Mahodi Ebete Answer the Shannon song Senpai Bokasian Ebe Koso now Nelly's haircuts Achim Asanin or more. The who are sending Baba shop Ajidin pa. Baba shop Omunya would trade my customers. Baba shop in fact Omunya would trade my when you're free. Say we are quala be UT penny be UT or bow betty Abba be UT Nadia sporty waves. Your dieting soon at the end the car home. After you home service. O friend I be ba ufie na ya be UT na makama pa. Frame was 0542-856 0542-524-856. Nelly's Haircuts, your perfect touch. Brefaland. So once again, this Sunday, Sunday with the head, so this Sunday the head Brefaland because Sunday angasa they come on so. Yeah, Sunday me will program on so. Until right after the program, me nim time poti ameko. Yeah, me madam for be outside me nuya or me bibia upon home nyame yadoma Sunday e wo manso. Until if you want ma eba Brefaland and amedi come Brefaland e bia de hia sama mama manso. So once on kwa dia until Sunday ye share mu wo manso. Sunday nyame yadoma ye share mu wo manso. Brefaland Hotel. And DJ Papa I woman tem hanging Gina Brefaland Hotel. I mean Charlie Sabo Gina 1 and 2 snitch. Come on. What dance with my example? And DJ Ben I want him say DJ Ben, hey DJ Ben. Sa. See I'm very start about you more Brefaland. Eh me ba. Me started this week but sometime remember like another time about Brefaland. Ba born me who say Brefaland the man no am ba ho bebre na ya that DJs no enti opoku atientie hey opoku obia amfro opoku me catch us down me want no be friend me say wo say o me catch yeah so I was asleep mother na me nya call I've seen Shabo even who Shabo Shabo say ho Shabo Shabo me ho na me ti opoku kasa wo echire Opoku kasa o mic ni mu. On say like yes, Opoku on say on I MC wo. So Opoku was doing yo man why? But there na me bisa again say when I kasa this Opoku. So me dem ni Opoku bia o Shabo na me hu no. Na say oh that is a DJ for no okay. Next time about Brefaland na me say DJ. I am about how many hours? There be guy be na say that na guy be about 2 hours or 3 hours. It's me ba mo how many years? Oh, what is me boss? Me ba cho. Oh, me a man in come for me am nyai bo. Yo. Me ba che papa. Me ba me say Brefaland about 10 and you make 10 and go for papa me bo. It's no me start about from 8:30. Mo ba be see match 12. Na se man ye obi say hey costi remember hobby. Some way me say Brefaland, the beer, ni gina womb. Open your birthday party. The shop from manager say friend was 0551187926 and 0507640302. Brefaland Hotel, quality home away from home. But Brefaland no head. Yeah, I don't go lie. I've been there a couple of times. And me regret it. That mean call home regret is I didn't man come back. Nah. Though me time call they be there, but that me call me feel say yeah. My boss say all work and no play make Jackson do boy right. Baby I'm shade them say me I John. Me I John. A woman who pick a gra. Hey. Man who pay near there. It's a dano, and if I know friend that Sadana. Observe say now what is now as a I think no reason. I didn't know pipi. And I say me pia me koye day. I don't drink alcohol, eh? And I me pia me kotie nyum. Me so Monday to Saturday me ti radio so me tie nyum. And I hear yeah, me tie nyum Monday to Saturday. Me ponko fia me sa kotie nyum no ma sa hwe movies eti me pia bonten and dem pan na me koye bonten me I only go out when it's necessary. I only go out when I feel like I want to go out. I feel like I want to and the me person me kobi I say because one me say na me nim sa no me kwa me san kofo be copy masa people go copy the other dance me to another me I be very selfish about na sa but me sapa yeah Michael Jackson masa le sanya sa me sap asa dem me sapa me san kofo be hwem no ma copy masa na dia nti na me be sakra na mo hwe I say, and I'm shaming them. We share movie and my film. Everybody moves by the baby. It's the last 2 weeks. Everybody, my Nessie, yeah, that's my uncle. And I'm the Kodai. Last week, the name was baby. But Sunday, we dear. Ah, then. I just want to hear the gem will be for now. Remember, not just one side, hold on. Bona, my 3 million idea. And your side, best son, idea. It's your issue. What do you have for me? Let's go. Okay.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a pleasant day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Give me your body, butter my bread, she got my tea, give me your cocoa. Ain't nobody touching you, wanna try it, they touching me. Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you. I know, got it, I'm not that.